Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about how do you make money on eBay. So on eBay, what you can do is you can sell items like it could be your items that you don't use or in your garage that you no longer need. So what you can do is you can sell these items on eBay and make money out of them. So which might give you some pocket money or something if you're in need of money or something. So let's get into the video. I'll show you how to do that. So on eBay, go to ebay.com. So once you're on ebay.com, what you have to do in order to make money on eBay by selling some stuff, you need an account to be created. So for that, what you have to do is you have to click on sign in. If you haven't created an account, so you can just click that. So what you can do here is, okay, you will have the option to create an account, or you can log in with your Google account or Facebook account or your Apple Mac account, anything. All right. Or if you have already have an account, you can just enter your credentials here. So if you don't have an account, create an account first. So click on create an account. Okay, and you'll have two options here to create an account: personal account and a business account. Personal account is just for if you're looking to buy something, and if you're looking to sell something to make money occasionally, well, it's like not in a large quantity. If you're planning to sell stuff occasionally when you need money, then a personal account is sufficient. But if you are looking to sell money as a business in a large quantity and you have your own store, then I would suggest you to go for a business account. So based on your preferences, just create one of these accounts. You just have to fill in your information, your email address, password, everything, and then click on create. So that will create an account for you. Since I have already created my account, so I'm not going to create that. So if you need more information on creating accounts or business account, we have a separate video on our channel which you can go through it. So I will just log into mine. So here I've logged into my account. So once I've logged in, what you have to do is you have an option on your top here called sell. Click on that. So click on sell, and all right, so here what I have to do is click on create listing, single listing. All right, so here we will be able to post our item that we are going to sell and make money. So first, for example, I'll just use shoes, like men's shoes, just for demo purpose. I'm using a dummy product. So what you can do, you can type your product that you're going to sell, or that you're planning to sell. So you can type that and then click on search. Okay, and Google will give you suggested categories based on your item that you just entered. So you just need to select the categories that your item is that applies to your item. So for mine, these are my suggested categories. Or if you're not satisfied with the categories, so what you can do, you can manually go through these categories and choose for your product. So for mine, I think this is fine, athletic shoes, that's fine, so I'll just select that. All right, and then here eBay will suggest you with similar matches based on your whatever you've selected, based on your results. So if you're okay with that, you can select one of those results. If not, you can just click on continue without match, and here you can just have to select the condition of your item. So mine is, I'll just put new with box. You can choose whatever that applies to you. All right, so if you list here, and then you will come to this screen here where you will be able to add more details about your product that you're going to sell. So this is where we can add more information like a photo. Firstly, you need to add your photos and videos so that the buyer knows what they are buying, and they'll be able to look into the pictures and have an idea of how the item is. It increases the chances of your item getting sold. So I'll add a photo, so you can just click on it, browse, and add a photo. I'll just add a random dummy photo, that's fine, just for this video. Okay, so you can do that. All right, so just choose that, that's enough. Okay, and then here the title, you can choose the title, you can edit the title whatever you want. Item category, if you've already chosen the category, that's fine, or if you want to change it, click on edit. and here is this item specification. So based on your item, since mine is a shoe, I have to select all this brand, shoe colored, the color, type, size, all those things. So based on your item, you will have similar requirements which you just have to choose. All right, so I'll just randomly choose all these things. All right, and then any other additional information if you want to add, you can add here, the condition, and then description. Okay, this is where you describe your item. So include as much as information or specification or details about your product, so that will help the buyer decide whether to buy this product or not, buy your item. So the more and the better you provide descriptions, especially the specifications of your item, so it will help the buyer to make a purchase, so that you can receive money once your item is sold. So try to include as much as possible and all the good things about your item. So mention that. And here pricing, so you can put this on auction or in a fixed price. You can just select a fixed price. Buy it now is where you can sell it for a fixed price, or else you can use auction option as well. So if I for here I'll just choose buy it now. So I'll put a price here, let's say like $50, and the amount, the quantity, how many you have, all those things. And then postage information you can select here based on the package. So what's the size of the package? So if you're posting it once your item is sold, and if you're posting it, so what's the package size, you can just put an estimate here. Okay, and then you can choose, this is and next one will be the domestic postage details. So you can add your domestic postage, which is you can add your service and choose the one that's best suitable for you. Okay, so once you select it, they will the shipping fees will be calculated automatically, and they'll let you know. And then if you are willing to post this to international as well for a global market, then you can add this international postage. So you just have to turn this switch on at international postage, and then you can select uh, the international postage based on your requirements. So we have a separate video on global shipping, so if you need more help with global shipping, then you can just check out our video on our channel. And then all these things, so you just have to your payment preferences, everything. So you just can add all this information here. So if you have anything to that needs to be changed, you can click on edit and then check all these things, and make sure your item location is correct. All right, so that eBay knows where this item is currently located and where it needs to be shipped, like from where it needs to be shipped. So those things, so your item location needs to be correct. So once you have filled in all this information here, all right, what you have to do is just hit on list it. So once you hit on list it, so eBay is now going to list your product on their page, and it's going to be available for buyers. So when buyers look at it, when buyers are searching for shoes, so in my case it's shoes, so buyers are searching for athletic shoes, they should be able to see my product, and if they like it, they will buy it. So once they buy it, once they buy it, okay, I will receive a notification from eBay saying that it's been sold, like someone has bought it, and money will be processed by eBay. So you'll get the money from eBay to your bank account linked to your eBay. All right, so all you have to do is you have to just complete the once you get a notification, click on the notification and complete the shipping, and just follow the prompts and print the shipping labels, and then manually like ship the item. So once you ship the item, and then you can transfer the amounts um, to your bank account or PayPal account based on what's it's linked to it. So if you need more help with those topics, we have separate videos in our um, a channel that you can look into it. So once all done, so this is how you like sell it. So you can sell whatever you need on eBay. So whatever you think you don't need, actually whatever you think you don't need, or if you need, or if you're in need of money, you can just use eBay as a good platform to just sell off your items, you no longer needed items, and then make some money out of it. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.